my channel. Today's video is a tutorial on this face right here that you're seeing. I really hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial. It is my first tutorial of the year, and I'm proud to say that my goal for 2018, well, one of my goals for 2018 is going to be experimenting with color, mixing around, playing around with makeup, learning new things so I can share with you guys. I can honestly say that I learned something new about makeup every single day. I feel like this is a school for me. I am continuously learning, and I can't be more than proud to say that this year I am going to be learning more about makeup, just experimenting with color, getting out of my comfort zone so I can bring more looks for you guys. Really hope that you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and with no further ado, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscription button so you become part of my YouTube family, and make sure to go follow me on Snapchat and on Instagram, because when I'm not here I am over there. And I do have that 1,500 subscriber giveaway coming to you guys. You guys actually chose a Sephora gift card. We'll have that video explaining the rules and the details very soon for you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and with no further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and start with the second eye now that I have this one semi done, and we are going to start off with this shade that kind of looks like orangey, and we're just gonna pop that all over the crease area. And I'm going to pop that in with a Morphe M411 brush. We're just going to concentrate this color in the crease area. This is kind of going to be our base for the red tones. Next, we are just going to jump right into the red shades, and I'm going to take this red right here from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to pack this first, and then I'm going to go in and blend it, and I'm going to pack it on my outer and inner corner as well. I'm just taking more of that red shade, and we are just going to build the color, build the intensity of the shadow. Up next, we are going to take this shade right here, just so we can build the color a little bit more, kind of darken it a little bit. So once we are blending it in, you're going to see the center that's kind of like blank, and that's what you're looking for, so just blend all around it. This requires a lot of blending, so you just have to be patient. Next, I'm just going to take a wipey and I'm going to clean with my finger. Alrighty, so up next I'm going to be taking Laura Geller Glided Honey. I'm going to get my brush, spray some Fix Plus, and I'm going to take Glided Honey, and this is what I'm going to be popping in the center of the eye, in the center of the lid. Once we are done packing the glitter, I'm going to go back in with my blending brush and kind of blend the inner and the outer corner inwards, because I want that glitter to kind of look messy in there. I don't want it too perfect. Okay, so up next I'm going to be applying my falsies real quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and moisturize with the Dynamic Renewal Cream by Nature Well. Next is foundation. Something about the first pump on a new bottle of foundation, so I'm going to take my new one because I just bought this yesterday and I've been dying to like try the first pump. I don't know why. It's just a thing, you know what I mean? Dot this all over and blend it out. Next is concealer. I'm going to be taking my Kylie Jenner concealer in the shade Ivory, and I'm going to be mixing in some Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. Be taking my sponge. I'm going to be spraying some Fix Plus on my sponge just to kind of get it moist a little bit. the word moist kind of sounds like dirty, you know? It kind of reminds me of like soggy bread. So now I'm just going to go ahead and blend the concealer out. Next, I'm going to be taking the Kylie concealer in the shade Almond to contour my face, and I'm just going to dot some on my forehead, kind of shrink the forehead a little bit. I'm going to sculpt out the cheekbones, and then I'm also going to sculpt the nose and under my lip. I'm going to be setting everything with the Coty Airspun Loose Powder. Next, I'm going to be bronzing up the face, and I'm going to be taking my Revolution Ultra Bronze in the shade Ultra Bronze. This shit does not have a shade name. I do not know why. For this, I'm going to be taking my Morphe R10 brush. I'm going to coat it really, really well and tap off the excess, and then I'm going to bronze in the areas where I had it contour. Taking Laura Geller Glided Honey, which I haven't used in quite a while, and then we'll go over top with something else. So I'm going to take my favorite highlighting brush, and this is the Morphe M438 brush. I'm going to be spraying some Fix Plus. Get my brush nice and wet. Yeah, nice and wet. Just how she likes it. And I'm going to be taking Glided Honey, and let's see. Ooh, I forgot how pigmented this is. Whoa. Whoa, this is intense. This is in... I'm gonna put some on the sides of my nose just for that selfie. Ooh, this looks so freaking wet. I bought this yesterday and I really, really liked it. It's not too intense, but since we already have an intense shit going on, I feel like it would fit perfectly. This is new actually, and this is by NYX. This is the NYX Born to Glow in the shade Chosen One. Chosen One. I swatched it yesterday at Ulta and I fell in love with it. And I wore it yesterday and it's not too intense, but it's fucking popping. Like, this shit is popping. To take this E17 by Morphe, I'm going to take the shade Pukey or whatever this color is, but it's like orangey, and I'm going to pop that all on my lower lash line real quickly. My brush is actually not working out for me, so I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe M411 brush, which is a little bit more stiffer, and I can actually like blend product down there. Also going to be taking that same red shade that we used on the top. I'm going to be buffering this on the bottom lash line. I'm now going to be taking this new Maybelline Lasting Drama Light Liner in the shade Starlight Gold, and I'm going to pop this on my lower lash line. Back into the NYX little highlighter here, and I'm going to pop this on my brow bone and in my inner corner as well. Now moving on to lips, I have been obsessing over the Dose of Colors lipstick in the shade Brulee. It's just like the perfect nude, and I do pair with a darker lip liner, so I think we should do that just because we have too much going on in the face already. Go ahead and apply the lip liner in the shade Cola real quickly. Alright, so once I have that applied, honestly you guys, my lips are so uneven. As soon as I find something that I can inject in my lips that does not have lidocaine, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I don't care what anyone says. My lips are like, my mouth is like crooked. Like something is wrong with my mouth. I see it in my videos when I edit and it's not okay. It is not okay. I need some bigger lips, you know what I mean? But anyways, I'm gonna take this shade and the shade. I'm gonna take this shade and the shade. No, I'm gonna take this lipstick by Dose of Colors in the shade Brulee, and I'm just going to pop it. So up next, I'm going to be taking a lip gloss. I have never ever worn lip gloss here on my channel. This is gonna be the first time I wear lip gloss, and you know what? I don't like lip gloss. I think it's because my lips are just so small and so uneven that I don't like lip gloss. I don't know what it is, but I don't like it. But today we're gonna take lip gloss because, you know, new year. Haha. Alright guys, and this is the final and completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did creating it for you. And if you did, don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe in the link down below if you're not yet subscribed, and I will catch you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys!